Hello Year 1 and welcome to Thursday's Maths. So we are doing today comparing subtraction number sentences. So yesterday we did comparing addition and today we're doing comparing subtraction. So just to remind ourselves about yesterday's learning, this is an addition, two tens frames that are representing an addition with the two parts. Okay, and we're going to quickly find out what they are and we're going to use less than, more than or equal to compare them. So I've got I haven't got 4 at all. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red counters in the first 10 frame. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 yellow counters. And we're going to find out what the answer to 6 add 8 is to help me. So I've got 10 up here. I'm going to put that in my head. I'm going to count on from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6 add 8 gives me 14. Okay, now I'm going to move on to this one. I've got 3 red counters this time. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 yellow counters. I'm going to put that 10 in my head again. I've got 10 and 2 more. And I know that 10 and 2 ones gives me the number 12. So now I found out the 2 answers. So now I can use my comparison. And I know that the symbol is going to face the biggest number, which means it's going to go this way. And that means it's showing me more than. This is the more than symbol. And when I read the sentence out as a whole, I don't need to include the answer. I can do, but it's quicker to just say the first part of the number sentence and this part of the comparison. So 6 add 8 is more than 3 add 9. Are you ready to say that with me? 6 add 8 is more than 3 add 9. Well done. Okay, so now we're going to think about subtraction. So remember, when we're looking at subtraction tens frames, the subtraction is represented by the counters being crossed off. That's showing you how many are being taken away. So the number sentence is there to help you. And remember, you count the ones that are left to tell you what the answer is. So the number sentence is 8 take away 3. I'm going to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 take away 3 equals 5. And then this one is 7 take away 4. I'm going to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3. So the answer to 7 take away 4 is 3. So now I'm going to use the language more than, less than, or equal to compare those two number sentences. So we're thinking about 8 take away 3. We're thinking about 7 take away 4. What goes in the middle? We're going to look at the biggest number. This one's here. So 5 is more than 3. We're going to put the more than in the middle. And then we can say that 8 take away 3 is more than 7 take away 4. Are you ready to say that with me? 8 take away 3 is more than 7 take away 4. Excellent, well done, Year 1. So your first question, question 1, the same as we did with our addition, we're using the symbols. We just use the language there to get it back in our heads, but we're using the symbols. You need to find out the answer to the number sentence to be able to compare them. Okay, and then put the correct symbol, one of these, in the middle to compare. Remember, the biggest part of the symbol faces the biggest number, and that tells you whether it's a more than, less than, or an equal to. Okay, so please pause the video now, find out the answers, and put the correct symbol in the middle. Well done, Year 1. So 13 take away 4 was our first number sentence. And we are going to count how many's left. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, we only count the ones that are not crossed out because they're the ones that are left. So 13 take away 4 is 9. Okay, and this one we've got 15 take away 5. And we can see, actually, the ones that aren't crossed off are filling up the tens frame, so we know that 15 take away 5 is going to give us 10, because don't even need to count them, so we can see that full tens frame. Now I'm going to think about my symbol. Which one's the biggest number? My biggest number is 10, so it's going to face the 10, and that means it's the less than symbol, because when you read it, the smallest part is coming first, that means it's less than. I'm going to highlight the bits that we're going to say. 13 take away 4 is less than 15 take away 5. Are you ready to say that with me? 13 take away 4 is less than 15, take away 5. Excellent, well done, year 1. Question 2, this time the number sentence hasn't been started off to help you, okay? So you need to find out the whole number sentence. So remember, when we do that with a subtraction, we need to find out what the whole is, which includes the ones that are crossed out. Then we find out how many are being taken away, which are the ones that are crossed out. And then we find out how many is left, which are the ones that are not crossed out. But I know you can remember this from last week or the week before when we did this. Okay, so write down the 2 number sentences, find out the answers, and then you can use less than, more than, or equal to compare them. So please pause the video now and have a go. Well done, year 1. So the whole here, we're going to put the 10 in our head and we're going to count on from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 counters all together. How many have been crossed out? And let's count them, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to be 17 take away 8. We're going to see how many are left by counting how many are not crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 17 take away 8 gives us 9. This one, our whole, again, we're going to put that 10 in our head and count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Our whole is 18. I'm going to take away the ones that are crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 18, take away 6. And then we'll find out what the answer is. We know how many are left, and we know there's 10 up here. So we're going to put that 10 straight in our head. Count on 10, 11, 12. So 18 take away 6 is 12. But I'm not done yet. I need to remember my symbol. My biggest number, is it this one? Is it this one? Oh, it's this one over here. I'm going to face that side. And then the smallest part is this way, which means this is the less than symbol. I'm going to highlight the bits that we're going to say. 17 take away 8 is less than 18 take away 6. Are you ready to say that with me? 17 take away 8 is less than 18 take away 6. Brilliant job. Question 3, this time, you need to find out the answer to the number sentences. The number sentence is given to you, but there's none of them crossed off, so you need to find out what the answer is. So you might like to draw yourself the tens frame, or you might like to just work out the answer using your fingers or any objects, and then you're going to use the comparison symbol. Okay, so please pause the video now and have a go at that. Okay, well done, year 1. So I have crossed off the counters now to help me find out what the answer is. So 17 take away 5, I'm going to put that 10 in my head. 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I know that 17 take away 5 is 12. And 18 take away 6. And again, I'm going to count the ones that aren't crossed off. 10 in my head again, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now I've got 12 on both sides. So which is the bigger number? Well, I've got 12 on both sides. There isn't a bigger number. So what am I going to put in the middle? I'm going to put the equal to symbol because they are the same. Okay, so we're going to say 17 take away 5 is equal to 18 take away 6. Can you see 2 different number sentences with the same answer? So let's say that together. Ready? 17 take away 5 is equal to 18 take away 6. Fantastic. Well done, year 1. So final 2 questions, question 4 and question 5, are ones without tens frames to help us. We need to find out the answer using the method that you find the easiest. So you might like to draw tens frames, you might like to use objects, you might like to use your fingers, you might have a number line. Find out the answers and then use the correct symbol in the middle. Okay, so please pause the video now and have a go at that one. Well done, year 1. So I'm going to start off with 14 take away 5. I'm going to put the 14 in my head. I'm going to count backwards 5 fingers. 14's in my head. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So 14 take away 5 equals 9. I'm going to do 17 take away 5. This time I'm going to put 17 in my head and then count back 5 again. So 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. So 17 take away 5 equals 12. Now I found out my two answers. So what symbol am I going to put in the middle? I'm going to put the less than symbol in because the biggest part is facing the biggest number, which is 12. So 14 take away 5 is less than 17 take away 5. Can you say that one with me? 14 take away 5 is less than 17 take away 5. Fantastic. And the final one, we've got 15 take away 3. So again, I'm going to put the 15 in my head and count back 3, 15, 14, 13, 12. So 15 take away 3 is 12. Then I'm going to put 18 in my head and count back 6. Fingers ready, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Okay, and now I'm thinking, where's my biggest number? What symbol am I going to put in the middle? Well, they're both the same. I've got the answer of 12 and 12, so they are actually equal to. So I'm going to say 15 take away 3 is equal to 18 take away 6. You see that one with me? 15 take away 3 is equal to 18 take away 6. Well done, year one. Amazing maths work today, and this week doing the comparing addition and subtraction. So the next job for us to do is to compare addition and subtraction all in one go. It's a really great job. I look forward to seeing you soon for some more maths. Bye everyone.